Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. I can't wait to show you what we've got today.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a perfect little beach bungalow just a few blocks from here and this beautiful white sand. Let's go check out this 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Welcome in to this beautiful little beach cottage. This one is a 2-bed and 2 full baths. I started here in the living room. I love how expansive it is. You can make it your own style, which flows right into the dining room and, with everything, the kitchen. I love how open everything is. Modern coastal feel, and even right down to the drawer pools being cute little starfish. Just a nice little touch. But it's nice and modern. I want to take you to these bedrooms now. Welcome into the main ensuite. As with many, which is perfect, you've got plenty of space here. You can make it your own. And it is connected to its very own ensuite. It's not huge and expansive, but it's perfect for that getaway and your guests. Let's keep checking it out. So welcome out to this oasis. I wanted to highlight this area not only because of the pool, but you also have the privacy here and some extra room, have your grill, you can extend your living lifestyle, eat out here on the porch. And I wanted to highlight that this is a corner lot. So you don't see the green space right here, but if you've got your fur babies, there's plenty of green space right outside for them. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to get all of the finer details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any deals from here.